Hello everyone, I'm Aysel.
And I'm John. Today we'll continue getting started with your METROTOM 1. In this video, we're going to be introducing you to the METROTOM 1 calibration process. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There's also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. With the METROTOM 1, a calibration object is included with the system so that you can calibrate at any time. The system is calibrated upon delivery, but as the user, you can recalibrate on your own if needed. We personally recommend here at ZEISS a recalibration once monthly to keep your system in top form. If we have a look inside the machine, we'll see that the object sits nicely in a pre-cut foam pocket in the corner of the cabinet. Underneath the object itself is the fixturing device for the calibration object. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that both the object itself and its fixturing device are numbered 1 through 4. These will become useful later. The fixturing device also has 3 notches underneath, just like the fixturing plates that came with the system. This once again allows us stability when placing the calibration object on the rotation table.
To get started with calibration, let's hop into the software. If we have a look into the system status area, it is clearly stated when the system was last calibrated. This can serve as a good reference for you. If you wish to calibrate the system, the command is under Acquisition, Sensor, Calibration. Once started, the ZEISS INSPECT software does an excellent job of guiding the user through all calibration steps. Here at our first prompt, we see instructions that the one on our calibration object should align with the one on the fixturing device. We simply line the two up, the object fits nicely into the fixture, then we can secure the calibration object with this small set screw.
Once in the system, the object can be placed simply onto the rotation table, taking special care to secure the notches underneath the fixture to the rotation table channels. Once the door is closed and the safety reset button has been pressed, we can now click OK in the software. Once the process at position 1 is complete, the software will simply prompt you to move the calibration object into positions 2, 3, and 4 in the same manner. Let's go ahead and get position 2 started.
Once you're complete, you will get a dialog that looks like this, indicating that the calibration was a success. From there, your system is calibrated and ready for scanning. If you experienced anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any questions about our METROTOM 1, please visit handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. I hope you enjoy seeing our simple calibration process. Thanks for watching and see you next time.